Hi guys, I'm making salad. 1 spoon of cream cheese, 1 spoon of yogurt, salt and pepper, lettuce, 1 cucumber, some of lettuce, 1 cucumber, and tomatoes and beetroot. This is the red one is beetroot, and the other red that is tomatoes. So now I'm going to mix the salad. This is my dinner. My dinner is in this salad. I didn't make anything.